for the beginning of your class, we also had to have you create a state EMT account. So I brought us back to Google. So we're going to go with South Dakota EMS. That's pretty easy to search. So you'll click this first one, South Dakota Health Department Emergency Medical Services. The red one, e-licensing portal. And we want to go ahead and scroll all the way down and create an account. You'll go ahead and fill out this form in its entirety. Note that you have to have your social security number again. That's how everything is tracked in the EMS world. So go ahead and fill this all out. You'll create a username so you can log in again. You'll save this. I believe there's another form after this. I already have an account, so I can't go any further than this, but this will at least get you started so that you have this done. This should be done before that first lab day. If you have any questions, make sure that you go ahead and contact me.